Welcome once again, guys. So this is another episode again. Today we'll be learning how to highlight. Let's assume that you have a video and then it's very bright. The video is very bright. You have a cloudy video and then maybe you go outside to shoot a video where there's too much sun. There's dust and everything, and you want to reduce them in CapCut. I will show you the way to do them. Let's dive in. So I'm working with this example here. I'm just picking a random video from under CapCut library. So now you go under adjustment, or you can either add adjustment from here if you want to affect all the layers under the video, or everything that is there. You want to affect everything, you can click from this angle here and drag it down here, then zoom it to the end of the video. So let me zoom to this particular place now. So here now I'll go under highlight here. So this is where I'm going to work on now. I want to highlight and reduce this. You can see that some of this brightened area become clear. You can literally see. Hold on, let me show you before and answer and after. See the before, see after I reduce it. So any video that probably is too bright and then the exposure is too much, you can click on this highlight and reduce it. Or at the same time, if the let's say highlight didn't probably work through, or it didn't give you what you want, you can also click on exposure here and reduce it here, and it's still going to reduce the exposure for you. So, or if it's too dark, you want the area to be bright, you want the face to be bright, you can click on this highlight here and increase it. You can increase and decrease it depending on what you want. So if you want to increase the exposure or reduce it, you can do it here. If you want to add a saturation, you want to make it more colorful, you can increase it. If you want to reduce the saturation, you can reduce it in CapCut too as well. So if you want to change the temperature, you can do everything here. So I wish I have any video that I can just pull up here and then show us okay, I'm looking for one that I can use for example. Let me download this one. Okay, let's assume this one now. Maybe this area here is maybe it's too bright to me, and I want to reduce it. You can see when I reduce it reduces the brightness and the exposure, and it became more clearer and darker. So that is if I want to aim this particular, I want to achieve this, I can do it. But if I still don't want, I can still leave it like this. It's still good. So you can see, let me reduce this highlight as well too. You can see when I reduce the highlight, the color became more clearer, and some of these details that are hidden became clearer. I can see the cloud well than before. So this is before, this is after. You can, if you don't want to do too much, you can just reduce it a little bit. I can come here and add I can decrease it back a little bit, not too much. Sometimes you don't need to do too much, so I can reduce this a little bit, not too much. I can increase the saturation if I want it colorful. If you want it black and white, you can decrease the saturation, and it's going to remove the color there. So if I want to increase it, I can also increase it. So these are the way. If you want to make it sharpen, you want to sharpen it more, you can see the edge. This is before, this is after. If you want to sharpen it, you can do it here. You want to make it clarity. This, I don't think I've used this one for once. This one particular one, I've not used it. This one I've not used it. Instead of using this one, I'd rather come to this effect, this vignette. Instead of using it there, I'd rather come to this effect and look for vignette. I don't know if I get it correctly. I don't know. It's supposed to be under Is it it? So let me check under it and see if it's under it. And then I think I downloaded it some time ago. Let me check under favorite. So if you download anything, sometimes you can just you can see it's here. But I searched for it and I didn't see it. But I didn't. It's same name now. So you see, this one is more preferable instead of using this one here. This one here, you can still adjust it and it will still look natural. You can see too much of everything is bad. So as I reduce it, it's now looking much more natural instead of leaving it the way it is like this. Like this is already natural. Let me show you before and after. You can see after, or you can still reduce it a little bit if you don't want too much. Even a little of it is still adding effect to it. Under some minutes. So don't forget to like and comment for more. Thank you guys for watching.